the heck? All right, guys, we are out here today with Jay and Paul. You've seen them on the channel before, and today they wanted to challenge each other to a brutal, vicious. Why are you guys not even smiling at each other? Like, come on, y'all are friends.
Yeah.
Game of skate. And Rochambeau, this is anything counts. Go ahead. Why are you laughing? Okay, Paul goes first.
He always goes first, no matter what.
What is he gonna do?
We're just gonna start with a simple ollie.
Wait, I'm pretty sure last time we played, he beat you, right?
Maybe.
No, that was with Angel.
Okay, are you? Okay.
Yeah,
Well, then I guess you're undefeated.
Yeah.
You beat Chloe, you beat Angel. Now, let's see what happens.
Actually, I think Angel beat me, actually.
Oh, really?
I don't remember. Go.
Okay, Paul,
Go.
run it.
Simple ollie.
Simple ollie. Ollie first try. Wow, with speed. These guys have been practicing on the weekends. Yeah, we count that. Yeah, we count. You know? I think that was good. Wasn't fully watching, but I'm pretty sure that was good.
Shove.
Wow.
Oh, no, get up.
Shove it and a miss.
Frontside 180.
Straight into the front 180. Bro, I told you we talked about this.
You want to go straight for the shove.
Where's the boneless? Okay, go ahead, Paul.
Fakey ollie.
Paul. I love how he just rolled it in. Should we make him call the tricks? I think we're gonna need to. Call the tricks.
We're gonna call the tricks, buddy. All right. Again, a shove. I know you can't land it.
A shove. He can land it.
Nope.
Bro! Why are you
Fakey,
popping it to the moon?
Fakey ollie.
Okay, fakey ollie. Yeah.
You know what's up?
Paul, every time. Chill out, bro. Breathe.
Take 2 seconds.
Take 2 seconds. He's been landing those all day.
I know.
They land all their tricks all day, and then they say, we want to play a game of skate, Aaron. Can we film a video? I say, sure. Boom, put on the mic, and they can't land the shove. What happened? You're
everything
nervous.
on it.
It's the camera. It adds 10 pounds.
Boneless 180.
Wow. First try. Paul, you had it. Go
That's for you.
slower. Concentrate. Okay, Paul's got an S.
Fakey ollie.
Okay, that was good.
What the hell?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know why I tried to revert like
Okay,
that.
Paul. Slow. Go slow, okay? Slow.
I know he can
I'm
do
not
it. He
supposed
can
to
do
be
it.
coaching
He can
that.
do it. I know he can.
Paul, what did I say? SK, he's undefeated, bro. Can you please defeat him?
Popcorn or half flip, I don't know what it's called. There's no way I meant.
Remember, it's anything counts. You can utilize fully any obstacle in the skate park. Any.
Oh, Lord.
Or any board as well. There's that board too. Where you going? But remember, you gotta call it.
Do a kick turn and then drop down the little block.
Okay. This is the hardest game of skate I've ever had to ref, Derek. Oh, I got it. That's a good trick. Okay, you're up.
Let me use the exila board. Let me use that board.
Yeah, exile it up.
Can I redo tricks that I've already done on the normal board?
Yeah, it's a whole different board. It's a little cheater, but you know, nobody's saying nothing.
Ollie.
Wow. You can do this, Paul. We believe in you. It's actually easier.
Yeah, it's really easy.
Paul! Breathe, my man! That is SKA.
Front side 180.
Can't do it. Ah, he can't do it.
Ah! Shove it, Paul. Shove it. But breathe first.
You're not gonna make it.
Paul.
Get out. I don't know if this is Wally, I guess. Come on.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Fail. Nah. Okay, run it.
Shove it.
Breathe, man. Breathe. Slow it down.
Aaron, would you count a coffin?
What does that mean?
Where you get like on the back of your board and then
You know what we count in this game?
anything?
Anything.
Uh,
Anything counts.
yeah, it's kind of easy. I mean,
Coffin on flat, bro. Let him cook. You can't practice.
hey, get out. The board was in my way.
You should have watched out for the Exzilla. Set up your coffin prior. Okay, go, Paul. There we go.
that, son?
Finally drawing blood. No, the other way.
That's not the way.
This way. Okay. S to
Yeah.
SKA. This could be the greatest comeback in skateboarding history.
Okay, I'm gonna just do a primo crab walk. I'm gonna just hit him with a primo crab walk. Okay, primo crab walk.
Paul, primo crab walk. Something tells me this is not going to end well. Okay, that's it. That's a no. Where are we going, Paul? No, that was not a land.
I heel touch and toe touch. Go.
Lean back. Wow. Yeah, that fully counts.
Is that on?
Why he fell at the end, I'm not sure. You guys might have seen that video. We made a video of him learning to ollie up that. And you can see from this, he has progressed a lot since then. Good job, Paul.
Was Hippie Mike here?
Hippie Mike Industries, bro.
I know, I'm saying, was he here?
Oh, he did it.
Could we count that? Paul,
Okay.
Paul counts it. It's fine.
He did it. He's giving the homie extra credit.
Never landed that, but. Wally? I don't know. Wally.
He didn't even call it. I guess that was his trick. We don't know what it was. Wally. Is that a wall ollie?
Yeah, or bank ollie. I don't know.
Backside kick turn.
Backside kick turn. Okay.
Ollie up that.
And then ollie up that?
Yeah.
This isn't combo skate. Oh yeah, it is. It's anything counts.
Air move,
Okay,
no,
backside kick turn. That was front side.
So messed it up. You still messed up. No.
That's front side, Paul. Yeah. Okay, what do you got?
Shark fin.
Shark fin.
50-50 shark fin.
How did I not think of calling this a shark fin? The second you go into the shade, it's like 30 degrees colder. Okay. I should not count it just because the simple fact that he didn't call the trick.
I said 50-50 shark fin.
But I'm gonna give it to him.
I said 50-50 shark fin.
Okay, I take it back. Good job.
I said
Well
50-50
done.
shark fin.
Give me the board, buddy.
I don't think I would ever do this, to be honest.
What, 50-50 shark fin?
Yeah.
Nope. S-K-A-T.
S-K-A-T. Paul, I don't blame you.
Coming back.
Okay, never mind. It wasn't so hard.
I'm coming back. Watch. I'm gonna come back.
Okay, I'm ready.
I'll come back.
You only got one letter left.
Is this front side 180?
Which way do you skate? Right foot?
Yeah.
Yeah, front side. Front side 180.
Front side 180, yeah.
You want to count it? Kids these days. Oh,
I
bro!
might be taking a letter.
Okay, we're gonna count that even though you stepped off kind of within the 5-second, 3-second range. We'll count it. We'll give it to him. Bro! What time is it?
It's time for lunch.
Game time.
You're right. it is
I've never
actually time
landed
for
that,
lunch.
and Paul can confirm I never landed that.
That was good.
All right, let's try that again. Backside, onto that.
You mean front side?
No, other way.
Okay, let's see it. I don't think he's ever done this trick before. Okay, that's good. I know he has that, but I don't think he's ever ollied up this.
Oh no, he has.
Ever.
Multiple times.
Really?
Yeah.
What the heck? Hey, when did you get so good?
Wait, so it's front side. So if it's front side, that means I go like this.
It's backside. Backside.
So like this.
Wait, you skate the same as me. Here,
Yeah.
follow me.
What,
Ready?
no,
Push up.
Yeah, how I normally do it. Yeah.
Easy way. It's the
How I
easy way.
How I normally do it, yeah. Can I push?
Whatever you want. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bro. S-K-A-T? S-K?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, because I landed that, and I didn't land the shove.
2 more letters,
that.
bro. Don't play games.
No!
Call it. You gotta call it. Breathe, Paul. Breathe.
And my soul.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm just glad you're still alive after that.
Drop in, up that, and then down that little block.
Fanny off.
All the way down that little block. What do you think, chat? Do you think he has it, chat? ChatGPT, do you think Paul can land this trick
Please
right
stop
now?
the pain.
He's got to push faster than that. Give him speed, Paul. Wow!
I can't do it that way. Wait, Paul, do I have to do it that way?
Okay, Paul might win this. Yeah, you got it. I like where you're going with this, Paul. I like where you're going with this.
I prefer having ankles. Okay.
I love how he's trying to heckle you, like mid your trick. I prefer having ankles.
Boneless ollie, I get.
Boneless ollie.
We got that? Or no?
Nah,
I'm gonna go, no!
I started doing push-ups now.
It was the push-ups for me. If you didn't do the push-ups, would have fully counted.
Get out! I prefer you having ankles. Get out!
I think that ground on top's a little bit rough for me. Bro, you totally had that. T to T. And it's all tied up. Okay, you're up, Paul. Right? Yeah.
Remember, you can use the Exilla board. You can use the Exilla board. Get out. No way.
Shove it on the Exilla.
Bro, so smart. I'm proud of you. Whoa. Breathe. You're always leaning so far forward. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's up?
He's not landing it.
I don't know. He's pulling out the Eggzilla. Bro!
He slipped.
Also, did you hear him call frontside 180?
Oh, you didn't even call it.
Me
I
neither.
did call it. I said 180.
Paul! Commit! Leave your feet on the board. You got it.
Fakey. I'm gonna try fakey ollie.
Fakey ollie. Going back to the beginning of the game here.
He's not doing it.
Yeah, I do it, Paul.
Do the shove it. You got it. You land the shove it, it's over. I don't think he's gonna land it.
Nope.
How? You're not committing. You're nervous. Why are you nervous?
Give me that.
The Eggzilla never let you down.
You're right. Exilla won't let me down.
Should I be dumb or should I be smart?
Be smart. Bro, bend your knees.
Here, brother.
Come on, brother. Can we get a land, brother?
Yup.
Can we get a pop shove it?
This is the pop shove.
Yo, not the
This is the
accent.
pop shove right here.
He's not letting it.
Bro, that was full Eggzilla. That might be game. The undefeated champion goes down.
Wait, so I had to.
It's a shove it, not a front shove it. Yeah, there you go. One more try.
No, it's one more try.
It all comes down to this.
You're right.
Use your back foot, get that scoop.
Come on, brother.
Bro,
I won.
you have it. Okay, try to land that actually. Give it 3 tries, just for the fun.
What you got?
I got one more try. Remember?
Oh, you're doing it the other way now.
Oh.
You switched directions on it. Yeah, that's the way. You got it. Very well done. Paul is the winner of Anything Counts Game of Skate. What do you got to say?
Hate you.
There you go.
Not cool, dude.
He doesn't
Don't be
hate
like
you.
that.
He loves you.
I love you, bro. Come here. Love you, bro.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yes, you have an absolute blast learning how to ride a skateboard. Go to the skate park, have fun, learn new tricks, and play games of skate. We'll see you in the next video.